Here's what Toyota doesn't want buyers to know about their model lineup. While the brand built its reputation on reliability, certain years hide problems that cost thousands in repairs. 3 specific Toyota models have documented issues that turn dream cars into financial worse cars. But understanding these problems also reveals which Toyota models deliver the bulletproof reliability the brand is famous for. The worst Toyota models share common patterns. New transmission designs that weren't properly tested. Engine components that fail prematurely despite regular maintenance. Problems that show up right after warranty expiration, leaving owners with expensive repair bills. These aren't random failures. They're systematic issues documented across thousands of vehicles. The first problematic Toyota is the 2019 RAV4. This compact SUV received a completely new transmission design that created serious drivability problems for many owners. 2019 Toyota RAV4 transmission problems with 59 complaints from RAV4 owners. The worst complaints are hesitates and lurches at slower speeds, shifting roughly, and check engine light on, hard to accelerate. The transmission issues manifested in dangerous ways during everyday driving. Transmission lurching and hesitating at lower speed acceleration. Vehicle hesitates when accelerating after rolling stops, such as at traffic lights that change to green as you approach them. Once the car responds to depressing the accelerator, the car will jerk forward. This hesitation created safety concerns during merging and city driving. The shifting problems extended beyond simple hesitation. The 8-speed transmission, depending on what Toyota that it was in, had a few problems. It is more software issues than mechanical issues. Owners reported harsh shifting that felt like the vehicle was being hit by something when shifting into gear. Toyota eventually acknowledged these problems through technical service bulletins. Toyota has a plan outlined in a technical service bulletin involving an electronic control unit update and a test drive to ensure the problem is history. However, many owners experienced months of frustration before fixes became available. The second problematic Toyota is the 2007 to 2009 Camry with a 2.4-liter engine. These model years developed excessive oil consumption that led to catastrophic engine failure. The repair procedure consisted of replacing the piston and piston ring set and was covered under Toyota powertrain warranty for vehicles within 60 months or 60,000 miles of purchase. Unfortunately for a big portion of Toyota owners, the problem started manifesting itself after the warranty expired. The oil consumption problem wasn't about normal oil usage between changes. The problem is not defective rings. The issue is clogging of the oil return holes in the pistons. This design flaw caused engines to burn oil at excessive rates, leading to complete engine failure when oil levels dropped too low. The warranty coverage proved inadequate for many owners. The TSB recommended a repair procedure that required an oil consumption test at local dealerships. Failure meant a teardown of the engine and replacement of the pistons and piston ring set, as long as the vehicle was within the 60 months or 60,000 miles warranty period. Owners who discovered problems after warranty expiration faced expensive engine rebuilds. The third problematic Toyota is the 2016 to 2019 Tacoma. This pickup truck experienced transmission and drivetrain problems that affected reliability and owner satisfaction. The 2017 Toyota Tacoma has 25 problems reported for not shifting properly. Average failure mileage is 7,350 miles. These transmission problems occurred at surprisingly low mileage. The shifting problems affected daily driving quality. The 2016 Toyota Tacoma has 13 problems reported for hesitates/hard shifts. Average failure mileage is 6,650 miles. Hard shifts and hesitation made the truck feel unreliable during normal operation. The transmission issues became widespread enough to affect the truck's reputation. The 2019 Toyota Tacoma is especially well known for having vehicle speed control, brake, and transmission problems. Multiple system problems combined to create a problematic ownership experience. Now for the Toyota models that deliver the reliability the brand is known for. These vehicles represent the best of Toyota engineering, with proven track records of dependable service and low maintenance costs. The Toyota Camry from 2012 to 2024 stands out as one of the most reliable midsize sedans available. This generation avoided the oil consumption problems that plagued earlier models and delivers consistent performance with minimal maintenance requirements. The 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and available 3.5-liter V6 both offer excellent durability, with many examples exceeding 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. The Camry's reliability extends beyond just the engine. The transmission, suspension, and electrical systems all demonstrate Toyota's commitment to long-term durability. Maintenance costs remain low throughout the vehicle's lifespan, with most repairs involving routine wear items rather than major component failures. The strong resale value reflects buyer confidence in the model's reliability. The Toyota Corolla from 2014 to 2023 represents the pinnacle of affordable reliability. This compact sedan uses a simple 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine that prioritizes durability over performance. The straightforward design minimizes complexity and reduces potential failure points, resulting in one of the lowest cost of ownership vehicles in its class. The Corolla's reputation for reliability is backed by consistently low complaint rates. Most issues involve minor electronics or infotainment problems rather than mechanical failures. The fuel economy of 30 to 40 miles per gallon combined with minimal repair needs makes this an ideal choice for budget buyers who prioritize reliability over luxury features. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid from 2016 to 2023 combines fuel efficiency with SUV practicality while maintaining Toyota's reliability standards. The hybrid powertrain uses a 2.5-liter engine with electric motors to deliver up to 40 miles per gallon, and the system has proven durable in real-world use. Battery concerns that plague some hybrids don't affect the RAV4, with hybrid batteries regularly lasting 150,000 miles or more. The RAV4 Hybrid's all-wheel drive system and higher ground clearance provide utility without sacrificing reliability. The vehicle maintains strong resale values due to buyer confidence in the hybrid system's durability. Regular maintenance requirements remain minimal, with the hybrid system requiring little additional service beyond conventional vehicles. The Toyota Highlander from 2015 to 2023 excels as a family SUV with few mechanical issues. The 3.5-liter V6 engine provides car power for three-row seating while maintaining Toyota's reliability standards. The 2017 to 2021 model years represent the sweet spot, with the fewest complaints and recalls in the generation. The Highlander's comfort and safety ratings complement its mechanical reliability. The vehicle consistently earns high marks in crash testing while delivering dependable transportation for families. Maintenance costs remain reasonable for the class, with most repairs involving routine items rather than major system failures. These reliable Toyota models share common characteristics that separate them from the problematic ones. The contrast between Toyota's best and worst models proves that brand reputation alone doesn't guarantee reliability. Specific model years can experience significant problems, while other years from the same vehicle line deliver some dependability.